Hi, and welcome to a new video. Let's get started. Go to Select, Subject, Select and Mask. Increase Smooth by 13%. Create a new layer with a layer mask and hit OK. Go to the second picture. Press Ctrl plus A. To select everything, press Ctrl plus C to copy and return to the first picture. Press Ctrl plus V to paste and Ctrl plus T to resize to the perfect size. Press Layer 1. Right-click and create a clipping mask. Create a new layer mask and change the blending mode to Screen. Go to the brush tool. The foreground color must be black. Paint where you don't want to show. Click the background layer and create a solid color. Click on the top layer. Press Shift, Ctrl, Alt plus E. Go to Filter, Render, and Lens Flare. Copy this settings. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like for more videos. See you on the next one.